Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we shall going to tackle a very interesting SQL interview question, and it's about ranking only the duplicates. So let's get started. So you have this table. So we want to rank only the duplicates. For example, we have x1, x1, and have y2. There's z3, 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 w4, w. So we only want to rank this. We only want to rank this. So let me show you the final output. So for example, you can see the duplicates are the only values that have been ranked. You see x1, x1. It's a duplicate. That's why it has been assigned a rank. But y2 is not a duplicate. Therefore, it doesn't have a rank. Therefore, it's null. And then we have k5. It's also not a duplicate. Therefore, it has been assigned null. But all the duplicates values, you can see they've been ranked. So let's solve this question so that we end up getting this final output. Yeah, so this is our original table. So we only want to rank the duplicates. So first of all, we need to identify this rank. Therefore, I'm going to write a query, select code ID, from our table here. So we are identifying the duplicates in this table, and then we group back code ID, and then event of having code ID. Now count code ID greater than 1. So that means when the code ID, when we count the code ID and we find that code ID is greater than 1. So for example, x1, x1. So that means the code ID for x1 is greater than 1. That means it's a duplicate. So if you run this, this one will only filter the duplicates. So these are the duplicates. As you can see, x1, z3, w4, these are the duplicates. Yeah. So if you run this, and then we're going to rank these duplicates. You can see they start from w4, x1, x. So we'll have 1. So w4 will be in position 1, x1 will be in position 2. So we're going to add another rank column so that we can rank these duplicates. Therefore, we can use CTE, and then we say with, let's just use CTE or duplicate dupes only as. So this is the table that contains only the duplicates, and then we're going to write another table that will rank these duplicates. Therefore, Yes, let's call it this as dupes rank as, so we can put a comma here, as dupes rank as select star star, and then so we want to rank this duplicate, so into write rank over, so we want to rank the whole table, so we will not partition, so write order by code ID, let's say from ascending, and then you call this as RNK from, so from this table which is dupes only, and then so this one will help us to come up with another with the rank column in this table. After now we have the duplicates. After now we have assigned the rank to our duplicates. We'll now go back to the original. This one. We'll now go back to the original and join this rank table, this dupes rank with the original table, so that so let's join these two tables. So select, let's say from our original table, this original table, we can assign it as P, and then we left join this table here, the table that contains the rank, so we can call it this one R. So we are joining on B dot code ID equals to R dot code ID, and then you're going to write the columns. So for the original table, I can just write star, no, P dot star, comma, and then for this one I can decide to use only the rank. So can write R dot, so R dot rank RNK. So we've used this duplicate. So we've ranked the duplicates, and then we've joined the table having the table that have been assigned the rank to duplicates. I mean the table that have the ranks of the duplicates, we will join it with the original table, so that only ranks will have the assigned value, and those that are not matching with this table will have null value. So if you run this, so you can see, so I've joined the original table with the dooms rank, and you can and you know dooms rank, they have the rank column, so you can see only the duplicates, they have rank. they've been ranked. And the non-duplicates, they are not, they have null value. It's because the duplicates are coming from this dupes rank, and this dupes rank, they have the rank column, and this other, they're not, these, I mean, they have the duplicates are coming from this dupes rank, and this dupes rank, they've been assigned a rank value, while the other code ID that are not found in this dupes rank, they don't have any value, therefore they will display null value. So this one will give us will answer our question. We've only we've only assigned rank to the duplicates, and the other values that are not duplicates, it will just displaying null value. Yeah, so if you have found this video helpful, kindly subscribe, comment on the topic that you want me to cover next time. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.